with another video. Today we're going to be working on a 2010 GMC Sierra for a friend of mine. He got some parts in. We got the hood already in the booth. We're going to be spraying both sides. We scuffed it down inside and out, and we're going to hit it with some wax and grease, wipe it down, and we're going to hit it with some primer. I do have this other piece here, top balance. We're going to be also scuffed down, and then we're going to go ahead and hit it with some Bulldog and prep it for paint. This is what it's looking like right now. We got this top balance already sprayed with Bulldog, prepped, ready for first coat of primer. Hood is done, both sides. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this with some primer, get it all prepped up, ready for some color. I gave it two coats along with the hood, 2 coats on the hood inside and out. This needs to flash off. I'm gonna go ahead and get this ready to go. Wipe it down with the tack rag, and I'll let this flash off fully, wipe it down, and then I'll go ahead and spray some color on it. Guys, we got the hood, we got the top balance cleared. I did 3 coats, and I did 3 coats on the inside, 3 coats on the outside. It's looking good, nice and shiny. Real good. So we're gonna let this bake. Let it cure, let it flash off, let it sit overnight, and then tomorrow I'll go ahead and pull this part out, pull it outside. We do have the hood trim we gotta paint. Passenger side fender we're gonna paint also. We gotta scuff it down, prep it for paint, and we do got this Denali grill. He wants to go ahead and color match it. It's gonna look good. So we got more parts in. So we got the front bumper too. We're gonna be color matching. Here's some more parts. We got a lot of parts in. I do got another Sierra grill right here that I'm gonna be custom making onto a, I believe, a 99 to 03 GMC. I don't know if it's an HD hood, grill, but I'm going to be cutting out the center of it and then installing this newer grill. Check it out right here. This thing is brand new. Customer shipped it over to me. I'm going to be removing the center adding this center to the older grill, making it all one. And that's another one I'm waiting on customer to ship me out the HD grill. I believe it's an HD grill, I'm not too sure, but I guess it got lost in the mail. I got that one about a week ago, so I'm just waiting on more parts. I got a lot of parts, gotta be painting. When this thing's all said and done, everything is good and all the parts are painted, I'm gonna be cutting and buffing it, give it a mirror finish, and I am gonna be helping the homie install all the parts onto his Texas Edition Sierra crew cab. Also, we're gonna be doing a sunroof on that one too. Alright guys, we got some more parts in, prepped, painted, and cleared. We got the Denali grill here, the hood trim. We got the passenger inner fender, all painted. Everything came out nice and good. Came out good. Here's the hood trim. And then the inner fender. The inner fender, all I did was one heavy coat of clear, since it is going to be on the inside. I did clear the inside of this Denali grill also, so you don't get no shadows coming from the back side. Because if you just paint the front of it like this, how some people do, you turn it around, you see it all black on the inside. Well, you can kind of catch the inside of these little holes. In the sun, you'll be able to see black in them. So you got to make sure you spray underneath everything, so that way everything is uniform and everything is white, and it comes out real good. I still don't know yet what we're gonna do with the GMC emblem. I gotta get with the homie, see what he wants to do, if he wants to keep it red or if he wants to color match it. If it was mine, I would color match it, do a borderline of the GMC black, because they come chrome and then the insert is red. I would do black, the borderline all the way around, and then paint the red white, so it separates the white, the black separates the two colors. It looks real good. You can probably see on my previous channels, I've done some GMC emblems and it comes out real good. And like I said, everything's gonna be cut and buffed to a mirror finish. I'll end up cut and buffing the hood and the fender. The grill, I'm gonna leave it since it is a small piece. The trim, I'll leave it. Like I said, I am working with my paint booth here. Ain't no fancy high-end paint booth, just what I got. 80-gallon compressor, lights. I got my fan here. I am gonna add some more fans and some filter fabric on there to filter it all out. But hey, they said with the cut and buff, a little bit more work, but it still comes out real good. And plus, I like to cut and buff all my work. Comes out real shiny. Mirror finish comes out real good. That's gonna be it. I'm gonna let this sit overnight, let it cure, fully dry. I'll pull it out to the outside. Hood's done already. It came out good. The top balance is done. Everything in here is done. All I have left is the front bumper, which I still need to get with the homie. See if he wants to paint also the black part of the bottom of the bumper, because I'm doing the metal bumper color match. But I still gotta see if he wants to paint that also. I kind of would leave it because the truck does have some black parts on it, and then it still match. If you add the black trim to that, it's gonna match good. But we'll see what he says. If he wants to color match it, then color match it. I'm not a big fan of color matching the bottom part of the bumpers, just because it comes with the weird texture finish. You spray it and it kind of looks weird. In my mind, it's not like this, where it's got a real clean finish to it. Those bumper bottom balances come with the real texture look. I'd rather just leave it factory black. or just paint it black too. But that's all we're looking at right now. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be prepping the bumper. I'll pull all this stuff out tomorrow, pull everything out. It is during the week. I am working on parts. After work, I come and work on parts. Pull it out, get the bumper in here, take it all apart, blow it all apart, prep it, primer it, you know, sand it down, bulldog, do the usual, and then be ready for paint. All right guys, we got the front bumper disassembled. We went ahead and took off the bottom valance, prepped it. It's 2K now. We did 2 coats, flash in between. We're gonna go ahead and hit it with some white, hit it with some U8624. I'm gonna do 3 coats, and then we'll get some clear on it, let it dry overnight. All right, we got 3 coats of this U8624. I'll be using my WS400 Evo, Iwata, Supernova. And I got the clear already mixed up. All right guys, front bumper is done. 3 coats of base, 3 coats of clear. All right, I'm gonna let it sit overnight. Today we're gonna be installing them Denali parts onto the truck. Homie's coming, he's on his way. We're gonna go ahead and start pulling out all the parts from the back that already been painted. As you can see, I'm gonna start grabbing all the parts, the hood, the bumper, start putting the bumper back together and all that. And then we're gonna go ahead and set up the truck here. I'll take some before and after shots. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on that GMC Sierra. We're going to be installing a sunroof. We're going to be doing a black headliner and be painting all the plastics black. As you can see, we do have a lot of parts, the damaged parts in the back of the truck that we removed from the Sierra. We're going to be going ahead and be installing a sunroof. The homie did remove everything out because he is changing it to leather, which is good because I do always have to remove the passenger seat to take the headliner out of these ones. Here's what she's looking like right now. Dirty as usual. This tan grayish color. We're gonna be blacking these out. We'll be blacking the pillars, that pillar, and that back pillar. Headliner, painting the plastics, and painting the consoles, handles, all that. So everything from dash up will be painted black, and will be black headliner. Like I said, these sunroofs are still discontinued. They're no longer available. I still have this last one that I have for this truck, but I've been waiting for him to get the truck going. It is an auction truck, so he got it going now. We put the front end yesterday. It's running now. Everything's good. So we're gonna go ahead and install the last sunroof I have, and that's it. That's it for sunroofs. I will be keeping everybody posted just in case they do come back. My supplier will be letting me know if they do come back or if he does get any more. So once I get them, I know for sure they're gonna be gone quick. So all right, stay tuned. All right guys, we pulled all the trim off, everything we're gonna be blacking out. I do have the sunroof already in. I'm gonna go ahead and install the bracket. Check it out. It's looking good. All right, I'm gonna install the bracket, and then we're gonna go ahead and start wiring it all up. making sure it's operatable. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the trim shell on top, install it, and then we'll start with the headliner. Headliner is right here. All right, guys, we got the headliner wrapped in black suede. Looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. All right, guys, install's been done. We went with the black suede headliner, which is a perfect combination for this truck. Check it out. That's gonna be a wrap for the white GMC Sierra. So like, comment, subscribe. There's gonna be a lot more videos coming, so stay tuned. And I want to appreciate everybody that's been subscribing. If we hit 4K, we're gonna just keep pushing for more content, better content, and different content. So stay tuned for that. All right, peace.